start. People think I don't need insurance, health insurance. So let us discuss today why they should take insurance, whether it's really required or it's not required. तो इसके बारे में आज हम थोड़ा बात करते हैं. Before starting that, let me just give a small introduction about myself. My name is Neetu Roy, and I'm a financial empowerment coach for women. I help women to master their finances and take the informed decisions in their life so that they can handle independent finance and they can take the firm decisions regarding all financials, protections and investments. So हम जो जिस what I have started like that कि why people think like that I don't need insurance. क्या होता है कि generally when we are young, we are fit, so we think we are fit. Why we need to go for insurance? And nowadays, all MNCs, big companies, once they are joining, so they should not leave the job. So companies are giving lot more benefits so that they can retain their employees. So to retain their employees, they're giving lots of benefits to employees. In that, health insurance is a big part. तो वो क्या करते हैं, अपने employees को कुछ एक group coverage दे देते हैं for some time for only for employee and some time for the families like husband, spouse and children. तो इसमें क्या होता है कि उनके दिमाग में ये घुस जाता है कि चलो my company has already given a health insurance for me, then why should I take my personal insurance coverage? So आज मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि first thing that अगर if you are in job and suddenly you started your own business और आपने अपनी company, so what happened? You will not your insurance will not continue. So as soon as you are leaving your job, your insurance also will not be covered your family. So ये कभी भी हो सकता है. तो it is that means you're totally dependent on your employer. Second thing क्या होता है कि suppose if you are not taking your insurance coverage, whatever your employers are giving the coverage, that 5 lakhs almost they will give. Nowadays, medical costs are getting so high. एक अब छोटा सा एक निमोनिया का आप if you are going for a treatment, that itself cost you some 2 lakhs rupees. And if you are going for now heart, fast food के वजह से बहुत सारे lifestyle changes के वजह से people are getting into so many diseases. So if that if you are having some heart related issues, so 5 lakhs will not cover anything. So 5 lakhs अगर आप divide करते हो, if you are having 4 members in your family or 3 members in a family, that is just a peanut. तो उसमें कुछ भी आपको फायदा नहीं होता है. और बड़ी बात है कि if you are thinking that okay fine 5 lakhs is it's fine with me, तो up to 60 how inflation is going on, तो up to 60 years तक आपके 5 lakhs will not serve you. And after 60 years जब आप सोचोगे आपकी कंपनी से आप रिटायर हो जाओगे and then you think of taking health insurance, so what will happen that time you have to go for the senior citizen level. And senior citizen, because already that time maybe you are having some sugar, BP, some kind of health related challenge you may face. If you are not facing also, insurance companies always see their profit also. So they will think already आप 60 पे हो, 61 पे हो, तो you have hardly your that time frame, maybe 80 90 you are going to leave. So उनके पास टाइमिंग भी बहुत कम होते हैं. So they will charge you whatever today if you are paying 10,000 for your coverage, maybe at 60-65 years you have to same insurance, same coverage, you have to pay almost 1.5 lakhs and you cannot imagine on that. And that time क्या होगा, ना तो आपके पास रहेगी एक्टिव इनकम और ऊपर से आपके हेल्थ के एक्सपेंसेस, ऊपर से आपके रेगुलर मेडिकल एक्सपेंसेस, ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट आपकी हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस भी आएगी इतनी कॉस्टली. सो इट विल एक्चुअली हेवी हेक्टी प्राइस टैग फॉर यू. तो दैट इज ऑलवेज बेटर. बिकॉज आप अगर सोल्यूशन के बारे में बोलोगे तो मैं आपको ये बोलना चाहूंगी कि अगर आपके पास कंपनी का इंश्योरेंस भी है तो देयर इज a favor you will get. There is some process कि अगर आपके कंपनी ने भी इंश्योरेंस दिए हुए हैं आपको, and if you want to go ahead with a personal insurance, that will not cost you much. You can merge this and you can with the same more and more premium you can take 10 lakhs 50 whatever your based on your need. तो उसके लिए आपको प्रीमियम भी कम आएगी. सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स, इफ यू वांट टू नो अबाउट इट, एंड देयर आर लॉट मेनी लू फॉल्स आर देयर. जब आप कभी हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस लेते हो, तो आप जब कंपनी के थ्रू से लेते हो, तो आपको कुछ भी डिक्लेयर करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है कि वेयर व्हाट प्रॉब्लम्स यू आर हैविंग, बिकॉज इट्स अ ग्रुप इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज आर मेकिंग. सो इफ यू आर हैविंग एनी प्रॉब्लम एनीथिंग, सो दैट विल नॉट अफेक्ट यू. ठीक है, जब आप पर्सनल इंश्योरेंस लेने जाते हो, तो देन यू हैव टू डिस्क्लोज सो मेनी थिंग्स. सो देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर, बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स पीपल से नो हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस लेके कोई फायदा नहीं होता है, बिकॉज ये देखा गया है कि वेन एवर विल गो एंड विल क्लेम इट, तो क्लेम रिजेक्ट हो जाता है. सो वाई क्लेम इज गेटिंग रिजेक्टेड, वाई योर प्रीमियम इज कमिंग सो कॉस्टली. सो देयर आर so many things to know. So if you are interested and you think, yes, this is a very important and crucial now, so join my community, and below link is there, and we can discuss, and maybe we can take it further for your health, because health is wealth. If you are taking care of yourself, if you are taking care of your loved ones, definitely you can really get the prosperity in your life. So with that, I'm ending it here, and thank you for watching this. And if you like, yes, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.